Hi, I'm Jaisal, founder and CEO of Aduri. We've evolved the meditation experience and are bringing it to you. Introducing the Aduri Cushion, the world's first connected, multi-sensory meditation system specifically designed to make meditation easier and more enjoyable to learn, simpler to dive deeper into your practice, and more community-focused, which is difficult when you meditate at home. Let me show you how. Research shows that setting up the proper environment is the best way to build a successful habit, and having a cushion is a beautiful way to carve out a space in your home for your practice. But while other meditation cushions stop there, Aduri goes one step further. Inspired by gentle vibration therapy, the Aduri cushion is intentionally designed to guide you through various breathing exercises, build focus, and immerse you deep into a meditative state. The cushion integrates beautifully with our library of original content, guided meditations, soundscapes, and music. The Aduri cushion is simple to use. Connect it to your smartphone with Bluetooth, and once paired, just sit down, select your desired meditation, and begin. Allow the gentle pulses to guide you into your meditation. The Aduri app integrates with wearable devices to monitor your biometrics and adjust your experience in real time to give you a truly personalized session. Community is important to meditation, especially when building accountability. But many people tend to practice alone, and as a result, their accountability suffers. We want to bridge that gap. In our app, users can create groups, chat with each other, set reminders, and sync cushions so they can meditate together, whether they're in different neighborhoods or countries. Push notifications are ineffective at bringing you back to your practice. We know. We've talked to 600 of you. We think that there's a better, more gentle way that this could be done through soft lighting. As the Aduri cushion learns about your practice, it will begin to gently nudge you to come back to your meditations with beautiful lights that gently glow brighter when you're in range and when it's around the time where you generally meditate. We've assembled an amazing team of industrial designers, developers, and content creators who have been working together tirelessly to bring the Aduri cushion to market. And that's where you, the Kickstarter community, comes in. We need your support to make Aduri a reality. The funds raised here will help pay for tooling, raw materials, and scaling production to deliver an outstanding, high-quality, premium meditation cushion that delivers the gift of mindfulness to you. We found the right manufacturing partners and are ready to greenlight production. They're ready, we're ready, and we hope you're ready too. Together, let's bring mindfulness home.